the night awakens. A symphony of sounds begins as the sun disappears.
Tonight, we explore the mysterious world of night birds, masters of the dark.
They navigate by moonlight, sound, and a keen sense of the unseen. Their adaptations are extraordinary, allowing them to thrive in true darkness. From silent hunters to camouflaged ground dwellers, these birds defy convention. Our journey begins with the ghost of the night, the exquisite barn owl.
Renowned for its silent flight, the barn owl is a stealthy, nocturnal predator.
Its facial disc acts like a satellite dish, focusing even the faintest sounds. It can pinpoint the exact location of a scurrying mouse solely by sound. With incredible precision, it plunges, ready to seize its unsuspecting meal.
Success. Another night of survival assured for this masterful hunter.
Its diet primarily consists of small rodents, vital for ecosystem balance.
Barn owls possess some of the most specialized senses in the animal kingdom.
Their ears are asymmetrical, enabling them to pinpoint prey with astonishing accuracy.
These unique feather structures absorb sound, making their approach utterly noiseless.
Deep within the woodlands, another nocturnal specialist thrives, the tawny owl.
Its mottled brown and grey feathers provide exceptional camouflage amongst the trees.
The distinctive hoot of the tawny owl is a familiar sound of European nights.
These calls are crucial for communication, territory defense, and attracting mates.
A clutch of precious tawny owl eggs, soon to hatch and continue the lineage. A new life emerges. This vulnerable tawny owl hatchling depends entirely on its parents. Parental dedication is absolute, bringing food through the long, dark hours. Soon, the tawny owl fledgling will take its first flight, venturing into the nocturnal world.
Owl parents are fiercely protective, dedicating weeks to nurture their offspring.
Across the Atlantic, a formidable predator reigns supreme. The great horned owl.
Its intimidating stare and powerful build make it an apex predator of the night. These formidable talons are its primary weapon, ensuring a swift, decisive strike. It hunts a wide variety of prey, from small rodents to larger birds and mammals.
Primates. Its adaptability and strength allow it to dominate diverse habitats.
The deep hoots establish territory and warn off rivals in the vast wilderness.
From forests to tundras, owls showcase incredible adaptations to varied environments.
In the desolate Arctic, a vision of pure white commands the frozen expanse, the snowy owl.
Its dense feathers provide insulation against the biting cold of the Arctic tundra. The snowy owl flies low over the snow, its powerful wings propelling it silently in search of lemmings.
Its incredible eyesight allows it to spot prey from great distances, even in low light.
A truly iconic bird, perfectly evolved for its harsh, unforgiving world.
The diversity within owl species is breathtaking, each a marvel of evolution.
Beyond the owls, Other enigmatic night birds flutter through the shadows.
Meet the nightjar, a master of disguise, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Its camouflage is extraordinary, a master of disguise against ground predators. As dusk falls, the European nightjar awakens, its hunt beginning anew. It hunts on the wing, a nocturnal aerial acrobat, scooping up moths and beetles.
Its unique mouth structure is perfectly adapted for catching prey in mid-flight.
This specialized hunting method is why they're often called goat suckers, though entirely inaccurately.
The male's distinctive churring call reverberates through the night, a territorial announcement.
It can continue this call for minutes, even hours, locating mates and warding off rivals.
Listening to this, you truly feel immersed in the secret world of the night.
European nightjars lay their eggs directly on the ground, relying on perfect camouflage for protection.
The parent's own plumage provides the ultimate disguise, a living part of the forest floor.
And from these camouflaged eggs emerge equally camouflaged, vulnerable hatchlings.
The parents tirelessly bring insects, ensuring their rapid growth in this vulnerable stage.
They grow quickly, preparing for the challenging life of a nocturnal hunter.
Soon, they take to the skies, joining the chorus of the night.
The European nightjar truly embodies the hidden wonders of our nocturnal world.
But the night holds other masters, apex predators with silent wings and piercing eyes.
Now we venture deeper, seeking out the ultimate night hunter, the owl.
Meet the tawny owl, a common yet enigmatic resident of European woodlands.
Its forward-facing eyes are fixed, granting incredible depth perception in the dimmest light.
To compensate, it can rotate its head with astonishing flexibility.
Silent flight is its signature, feathers designed for stealth, making no audible whisper.
Its hearing is phenomenal, capable of pinpointing prey purely by sound.
And with deadly precision, the powerful talons secure the meal.
These adaptations make owls unparalleled hunters of the night.
The tawny owl's hoot, a timeless sound, reigns supreme in the nocturnal soundscape.